College can be expensive, but it is attainable. September is College Savings Month, so let's talk about some easy ways to save some cash for your future. Number one, small savings add up. Stashing away as little as $10 a week can build up your savings fast. It's the equivalent of trading one coffee run a week for less student debt down the line. Number two, Nebraska's Nest 529 plan. In Nebraska, families can use a Nest 529 account, which is a special kind of savings plan just for college. Your money grows tax-free when used for things like tuition, housing, books, and other college costs. Visit nest529.com to get started. Number three, ask for college cash. Instead of asking for gift cards or a new pair of shoes for your birthday, ask relatives to drop some money in your college savings or 529 account instead. Finally, number four, everyday savings hacks. You can cut costs by renting textbooks or buying used textbooks, taking dual credit classes while you're in high school, or starting at a community college and later transferring to a university. Basically, paying for college doesn't have to be overwhelming. This month, try one of these savings tips. Small steps today can make college way more affordable tomorrow. I'll see you next month with a new college prep talk.